If you're worried about someone else accessing your account or you just want to review your own security, Steam makes it pretty easy to check your recent login history. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find that information, what each detail means, and what to do right away if you notice anything suspicious. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Steam and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Steam client on your PC. You can do this from your desktop shortcut or from your start menu like normal. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner of the window. You'll see the main menu bar there. Click on Help. From the drop-down menu, select Steam Support. This is the easiest path because Steam Support acts like a gateway to your account data and security information. Once the support page loads, you'll see several account-related options. Click on My Account. After that, scroll down until you find data related to your Steam account. This is where Steam stores the data and activity records connected to your profile. Now look for the section called Recent Login History and click it. That will open the page showing your recent logins. This is the part you want to review carefully, especially if you've noticed strange account activity, unexpected logouts, or emails you didn't trigger yourself. On this page, Steam gives you a table with useful details about each login. You'll usually see the time of the login, the operating system used, the country or city estimated from the IP address, and the login method. The login method may show whether the sign-in happened through the Steam client, a web browser, or a mobile device. Take a moment to compare each entry with your own activity. If you use Steam on multiple devices, some of these logins may be completely normal. But if you see a location, time, or device that you don't recognize, that's a sign you should secure your account right away. If something looks suspicious, the first thing you should do is deauthorize all other devices. To do that, go to Account Details, then open Manage Steam Guard. From there, select Deauthorize all other devices. This will instantly sign out every computer and phone that is currently logged into your account, except the one you're using now. After that, change your password immediately. Use a strong, unique password that you haven't used anywhere else. This helps make sure nobody can get back into your account with old credentials. Next, check your email account linked to Steam and make sure the recovery email hasn't been changed. If someone got access to your email, they may be able to regain access to your Steam account as well. And if you haven't already done it, enable Steam Guard. The best option is the Steam Mobile Authenticator on your phone because it's much more secure than relying only on email-based codes. It adds an extra layer of protection and makes unauthorized logins much harder. So that's how you check your Steam login activity history and what to do if you find anything unusual. It only takes a minute, but it can make a huge difference in keeping your account safe. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.